Hi, my name is Sia, and today I'm going to be talking about multiplying and dividing negative numbers. So, what are negative numbers? All numbers that are less than 0 are negative numbers. For instance, -5, -6, -9, -100, -40, -82, and -4. And there are many more. Negative numbers on a number line look like this, where 0 is in the middle, and all numbers to the left of 0 are negative, and all numbers to the right are positive. So everything to the left of 0 are negative numbers. So let's look at multiplying negative numbers. There are 3 main rules when you multiply negative numbers. 1, negative numbers times negative numbers are equal to positive numbers, and negative times positive equals negative, and any number, negative or positive, multiplied by 0 is always 0. So let's try -2 times -4. Because both of these are negative numbers, we know the answer is going to be positive, so -2 times -4 is equal to 8. So let's look at some examples. We did this one. Here we have -2 times 3. Because it's negative times positive, the answer is going to be negative. So -2 times 3 is equal to -6. Positive times negative is equal to negative, so 3 times -4 is equal to -2. -5 times 8, again, negative times positive is equal to negative, and so the answer is -40. And this one is a little bit more complicated because there's 3 terms being multiplied together, but you can multiply these terms in any order and the answer will always be 24 because it's multiplication. So over here we could do -4 times -2, which is 8, and we could do 8 times 3, and that will be 24. So let's try some problems. 4 times -6, again, positive times negative is going to be negative, so the answer is -24. 20 times -2, positive times negative is going to be negative, so the answer will be -40. Here we have 2 negatives, so the answer will be positive, so the answer is 15. Again, we have 3 terms here, so we can multiply these in any order and the answer will always be the same. So let's try doing 2 times 6, which is 12. And we can do 12 times the -1. And 12 times -1 is just -12 because positive times negative is equal to positive. So let's look at dividing negative numbers. There's 5 main rules when you divide negative numbers. 1, negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Negative divided by positive equals to negative. Positive divided by negative equals to negative. And any number divided by 0 is undefined. And 0 divided by any number is 0. So here we have -4 divided by 2. So that kind of looks like this. It looks like a fraction, but it's really just division. So -4 divided by -2 is negative divided by positive. So the answer will be negative. So the answer is -2. Let's try some examples. Or let's look at some examples. So we already did this one. We have 2 divided by -1, which is -2. 2 negatives equal to positive, so -8 divided by -4 is 2. -10 divided by 2 is equal to -5. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. And over here, you can solve this first by doing the numerator, which is the top part here, and that's 12. And then you can divide this 12 by this -3, and 12 divided by -3 is -4. Let's try some problems. So -9 divided by -3, both are negative, so the answer will be a +3. 4 divided by -4, so positive divided by negative is going to be negative, so the answer is just a -1. When a number is basically divided by itself, the answer will always be 1, and the only thing you have to pay attention to is the sign. So here we have negative, and a positive, so the answer will be a negative 1 instead of just 1. Negative 8 divided by 2 is going to be negative 4. Negative 16 divided by negative 4 is going to be a negative 4. And a negative 24 divided by negative 2, negative divided by negative is equal to positive, so the answer is going to be 12. Thank you.